Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we are here now to answer all the activities in chapter 1. Okay, now let's begin. Chapter 1, first activity, network component representation and function. Instruction: drag the network component function to its device category. Our category is end devices, intermediary devices, and network media. Okay. The function of end devices is to provide an interface between the human and the network. Then intermediary devices is provide connectivity and ensures data flows across the network, while the network media provides a channel for messages to travel from source to destination. Okay, let's check. And drag the network component function to its device category. Under end devices, which is provide an interface between the human and the network, they have IP phone, wireless iPad, laptop, desktop, printer, and telepresent endpoint. And under intermediary devices, which provide connectivity and ensures data flows across the network, we have LAN switch, firewall, router, wireless router, multiplayer switch. And under network media, which is provide a channel for messages to travel from source to destination, there have three: wireless media, WAN media, and LAN media. Okay, let's put their label. Okay, printer, desktop computer. First, end devices. Under end devices, laptop, wireless tablet, IP phone, and the last one is telepresent endpoint. Under intermediary devices, have firewall appliances, LAN switch, router, wireless router, and multi-layer switch. Under network media, wireless media, WAN media, and LAN media. Check. Okay. And the next activity in chapter 1 is network architecture requirements. Instruction: select the appropriate column to identify the network architecture requirement to which its characteristic or feature belong. Her choices is fault tolerance, scalability, quality of service, and security. Okay, number 1. Network should always be available. I think fault tolerance. Priority queues are implemented when demand for network bandwidth exceed supply. I think word supply is quality of services. Number 3, business and personal network equipment must be protected. And I think security. Developing a plan for priority queuing is a strategy for quality delivery of information. Quality delivery is, I think, quality of service. Business and personal data must be protected. I think protected again. And security. Network can grow or expand with minimal impact on performance. Scalability. Data can travel through more than one route for delivery from a remote source. Fault tolerance. And common network standards allow hardware and software vendors to focus on product improvement and services. I think scalability. Okay, let's check. And that third and last activity in chapter 1 is identify network security terminologies. Definition ay instructions. Drag the security terms to the correct definition. Okay, let's start. Definition: an attack which slow down or crashes equipment and program. Denial of service. Denial of service is attacks designed to slow or crash application and processes on a device network. Create a secure connection for remote workers. VPN. And then VPN is the one who creates secure connection for remote workers and blocks unauthorized access to your networks. Firewall. Firewall is used to block unauthorized access to the network. This may include a host-based firewall system that is implemented to prevent unauthorized access to the end devices, or a basic filtering service on the home router to prevent unauthorized access from the outside world into the network. And next is network attack that occurs on the first day that vulnerability becomes known. 0 days. 0 day is network. 0 days, an attack that occurs on the first day that a vulnerability becomes known. And the last one is arbitrary code running on user devices is virus, worm, and Trojan horses, malicious software, and arbitrary code running on a user devices. Okay, and I think that's all the activity in chapter 1, and thank you.